Once upon a time, 3 little pigs set off to build their own homes. They were excited to start their new lives, but they knew they had to be careful of the big bad wolf who lived nearby. The first little pig, who loved to relax, quickly built a house out of straw. It was easy and fast, so he had more time to rest. The second little pig, who enjoyed crafting but didn't like working hard, built his house out of sticks. It looked nice and took a bit longer than straw, but it wasn't very sturdy. The third little pig, who was very hardworking and thoughtful, decided to build a strong house out of bricks. It took a lot of time and effort, but he knew it would keep him safe. One day, the big bad wolf came to the first pig's straw house. He huffed and puffed and blew the house down. The first pig ran as fast as he could to his brother's stick house. The wolf followed and knocked on the stick door.
Little pigs, let me in.
He growled.
Never in a million years,
Cried the pigs. So the wolf huffed and puffed and blew the stick house down. The 2 little pigs ran to their brother's brick house, terrified. The wolf arrived at the brick house and knocked.
Little pigs, let me in.
He demanded.
Never in a million years,
The 3 pigs replied. The wolf huffed and puffed, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't blow the brick house down. He gave his last kick, bang, 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 but it was no use. Tired and frustrated, the wolf gave up and left. The 3 little pigs cheered and hugged each other. They realized the importance of hard work and planning. From that day on, they lived happily and safely in the sturdy brick house.